Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see this task 6 project, and in this project, we need one domain controller machine, and we can perform these tasks in the domain controller machine itself. Okay, so let's if you don't have a domain controller machine, just watch my domain controller video. I will attach the link in the description. I will not make a separate video. I will not show all the steps to make a domain controller. It will take my video to it will take the video will get lengthy. So please watch that video to create a domain controller, and then come back here and then perform these tasks, because these are project tasks and I cannot waste time on showing you all the basics of creating domain controller and all. Okay, and also we don't have that much time, so let's go to my virtual machine. And we also need to take snapshots every time we do something. So I will keep taking snapshots of creating the storage space, and for adding storage space I will keep taking snapshot. Look at this. This is my domain controller, my firewall off. I have this IP address inside this. So we will do what first task we have to do here is create storage space using 3 disks. So first we need 3 disks here. Okay, so we will just go in our VM. We will add 3 disks here. Okay, we will right click on new server VM machine. We will go to settings. From settings I will take screenshot of this by clicking here add. Then from here I will take this screenshot hard disk. From here I will click here next. One screenshot of this, clicking here next. Then one screenshot of this SCSI next. One screenshot of this, create a new virtual disk. One screenshot of this, we will be adding 10 GB single. One screenshot of this next. We will be giving name, so let's give disk 1. One screenshot of this, finish. We will add one more, and we will again take a screenshot of all these steps. 10 GB, we need to add 3 disks of 10 GB. Okay, this disk 2, finish. I will take these screenshots from my video itself for my project. Add screenshot, 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 10, screenshot, screenshot, finish. Let's click OK. Okay, so we have added all 3 disks. Now the second task here is we need to create a storage space for these 3 disks. Now after creating the 3 files, we will go to here files and storage services. One screenshot here. Okay, inside this we will go to storage pools. One screenshot of this. Okay, and here look, we have 3 disks here. Okay, look, we have 3 disks here. 1 2 3, we already just created these 3 disks. Okay, now we will create a storage pool here. Let's create a new storage pool here. We will create a new screenshot one here. And in this storage pool we'll clear next. I will make it full screen. So one screenshot here, and we will give us this storage pool a name. We will give here simple storage. Okay, then we don't need description. Managed by DC01. Okay, domain controller. Next, here we will select all these 3 disks. Okay, look, these are virtual disks, and it will be created 30 GB of virtual. Next, now it is not clustered, and this is our DC01 role, and we will create the storage pool. Okay, so take a screenshot here, and we can click here like create a virtual disk when this wizard close. Look here, we need a virtual HDD also, with a simple volume and thin provisioning. So we will create this, but we will not create directly from here. So we will close this, and we will click here Right click here, refresh this, take a screenshot of refresh also. Look, this is our, so this is created. Now we need to create a virtual disk. Look at here, we need to create a virtual disk here. So after creating a storage pool, storage space, we need a virtual disk. Okay, so this is where we will create a virtual disk. Like, just click here, and keep taking the screenshots, click here. Okay, and VMware, I just got to know that the shortcut for screenshot is Control Alt print screen button. So it will copy the screenshot inside your clipboard. Then you can paste the screenshot anywhere you want. Okay, so click here. I will take the screenshot from my video itself. Click here and wait. Okay, it is coming. Now click here, select the storage pool and take a screenshot. Okay, then here you will be having options, a lot of options. Now take a screenshot here. Next, name, let's give a name again. What was our previous name? Simple storage. We will give simple volume now. Okay, and create storage tiers on this disk. We don't need storage tiers. We will click on next. Then here enclosure, store copies on this helping. We will not click in anything. Just go to next. Inside the storage layout, we have mirror. Data is stripped across physical disks, creating two or more, three or copies. Okay. Parity, mirror, simple. We need simple. Okay. Just check our, look at here, simple. We need simple disk. We don't need anything extra. So we will select simple here. Simple is data stripped across multi-physical disks, maximizing capacity and increasing throughput, but decreasing reliability. This storage layout requires at least one disk and does not protect you from a disk failure. Okay, we'll select simple. Next, and we will select thin provisioning. Okay, thin provisioning. What does our video says? Page says thin provisioning we need. So we will select a thin provisioning. We will go to next and specify the size. We will specify this. It's the exact free space, 27 GB. Okay. Now let's go to next. Now look, this is our location and these are all the details about the thin provisioning. Simple storage, we have not given any storage tiers here, so we will create this one. Okay, it is created. Now close this. Look, it is saying create a volume when this wizard closed. We need to create a volume. It is not showing here, but we need to create it volume to access it from domain. Look at here, access it on the domain controller. So to access it on the domain controller, we need to create a volume. Okay, so it will automatically create a volume if we will just tick this and we will close this. So look at here, we have this. So let's check inside the file explorer if our disk is available here or not. File server, local disk. Look, our disk is not available here because inside this, while creating the storage virtual machine, virtual disk, this one virtual disk, I did not selected the volume. Like, let's create a new volume. Okay, next, disk 6. Next, this is the volume it is going to create. Okay, next, it will automatically create in the previous prompt, but because I did not check that sentence, it is not. We have to create it manually. Next, keep taking the screenshots, guys. Again, I will give it the name of simple volume. Next, and create. You can create in from the disk management also, I guess. So our volume is created. Close, and let's go to again file explorer. Now look at here, I have this simple volume, this one. Take a screenshot here, simple volume, and you can create a folder here, new folder, thin provisioning. Okay, so that's it for the today's video, and all the steps I have covered of task 6. So like, share, subscribe, and wait for the task 2 video. Bye bye.